Hi Byrdie, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine, and we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
Glow Recipe is the destination for all things Korean beauty. We're passionate about curating and also creating Korean skincare.
Today, we've each selected 5 favorite K-beauty products that are must-know, must-try. We hope you love them as much as we do.
So the first product is one of our favorite cleansers. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and it's one of our first creations. So what I love about this is the texture. It is something that we've never seen before. You'll see this bouncy, gel-like texture.
Because of this bouncy texture, it kind of hugs the face.
Yeah.
So you can actually not only use it as a cleanser, but also a 5-minute mask. Cleansing is so important in Korean skincare. Our moms always used to tell us, as soon as you walk through that door, cleanse your skin first. So we're obsessed with cleansing. And lately in Korea, we've been seeing a lot of cleansing pads.
This is Haru Mada's Triple Balance Morning Cleansing Pad. It is a multitasker. It helps to cleanse, brighten, and also hydrate the skin. And this we think is super innovative because it has everything in one little pad with a cleansing agent, hydrating agent. It also helps to brighten the skin. And it's such an easy, convenient way to just do your cleansing routine. So we've cleansed our face, and now we want to move on to the toning step, which is where you balance your skin and also hydrate at the same time. This olive mist from Mesa, which is on our site glowrecipe.com. This is really interesting because you could actually see this beautiful olive leaf in this little bottle. It's because the olive leaf is actually fermented, and therefore it actually activates really well with other ingredients such as aloe and chrysanthemum. I'm just going to mist a little bit on your face.
So in Korea, when you're misting, it's always polite to ask your friend if she wants a spritz too. Kind of like how you share a piece of gum.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah, sharing is caring. Next is the Liz K First C Serum. So when we first heard about this First C Serum, it was because it was an absolute phenomenon in Korea. I think they sold 10 million bottles
10 million.
of this vitamin C.
All you need is a drop or two, because a little goes a long way, and it has over 13% of ascorbic acid.
We love that the bottle is also very tiny so that you use it up within a certain time frame before the vitamin C starts to oxidize. But it's really that go-to serum we both love to pick up anytime we need that extra boost of radiance.
So this is one of our favorite moisturizers. It's Make Cremes Micro Tension Cream from the Hydrate Me line.
It's this beautiful whipped gel texture that just really glides on the skin, absorbs like a dream, but leaves it really hydrated and bouncy. And the great thing is, it kind of works for all skin types.
All skin types.
Sarah has combo skin, I have like much drier skin, but somehow we're both always reaching for this moisturizer. So this is the Blythe Gold Apricot Pressed Serum. So if we're talking about interesting textures, this is another one of those moisturizers that has a really unique texture. So I still remember the day we first got a sample of this, and we were like, did the brand send us Vaseline? And we were really confused.
It looks like Vaseline, feels like it in a way, but it's not sticky, and that's the magic of
Exactly. And now I kind of call this a whipped oil, I guess.
Yeah.
And it's
like
not
a balm
exactly
type of texture.
And it's not like Vaseline at all. It just absorbs right into the skin, but what it does, it leaves this beautiful, very subtle glow. So this is the j.one Red Jelly Pack, which is a multitasking makeup gripper and mask. The main ingredient in this is red algae. Red algae is an ingredient that actually flamingos eat and what gives them their beautiful pink color. But also red algae is an incredibly powerful antioxidant. It apparently has 6,000 times the antioxidant capacity of vitamin C.
So this is our favorite makeup gripper slash primer. What we love about this is it's a true multitasker. It helps to hydrate, brighten once again, but I think the magic happens when you apply either your sunscreen or your makeup over this texture because it will grip everything in. So now we're going to introduce you some extra credit items, which consist of sheet mask, sleeping mask, and a spot treatment. The first one is one of our favorite sheet masks from this brand called July, and this is called the Super 12 Bounce Oil Mask. So what we've seen also as a trend in Korea is a lot of the products are hybrids. I think women are demanding for more and more multitaskers that do beyond just one function. So this is one of those where oil is infused to give that extra nourishment, but there are other botanical extracts for hydration as well.
And one more thing to note about July is that the ingredients are literally like an acai bowl for the face.
Yeah, it's like superfruit.
Superfoods, grains, quinoa, cauliflower.
So what we love about this is that it comes in 2 parts. A lot of the times we get emails from our customers and we read reviews where some people are saying my sheet mask doesn't perfectly fit onto my skin, it's not contouring, it's flapping, I can't multitask. Well, this one addresses your concern because it will adhere to your skin perfectly.
The next product is Lee Grow Tea Tree 70 Spot Treatment. So Lee was one of the first cosmetic dermatologists in Korea, and his dermatology practice is incredibly well known, especially for treating acne.
So we created this syringe-inspired product with this brand, and it's actually really fun to use.
So I always kind of feel like a doctor when I'm using this. You press the cylinder from the bottom and you have a little bit that comes out on the tip, which then you take and you apply to any troubled areas.
Yeah. Unlike some of the other spot treatments that we've typically been using, this one kind of feels like a gel, but at the same time, it just absorbs into the skin very quickly. So if you have oily skin, this is your perfect formula because it's not going to leave anything that feels suffocating for your spots or even pores. Last but not least is our sleeping mask, and we're so excited to introduce the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, which is our latest creation. So I'm just gonna open this box, and this is the jar. This was inspired by an actual avocado. You can feel the texture. We really love the grip of an avocado when you hold on to it.
So we packed this with 4 different types of avocado, including avocado flesh, avocado oil, avocado butter, and avocado extract. And also a plethora of amazing ingredients, including Manuka honey from New Zealand, and also PHA.
And PHA is the next generation acid. It's a very gentle exfoliator. Recently, when I went back to Korea, I saw so many products that had PHA infused, whether it was just an exfoliator, but also moisturizer. We've seen a cleanser with PHA. And we really thought that was the best ingredient to a gentle approach when it comes to exfoliation. So for those of you that have sensitive skin, PHA could be your best friend actually to resurface the skin, retexturize, and give that bright smoothing effect without any concern of irritation or redness.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you loved our K-Beauty picks. If you have any questions about the products, please feel free to leave them below in the comments and we'll answer them.
Hopefully you can try them all as well. Thanks for watching.
Get your glow on!